Hey, welcome back, hikers, to Follow Bigfoot, where we do a lot of things on this channel. One of those things is giveaway. We give away a lot, and today is one of those days. We are giving away another Nomadic gearbox to one lucky subscriber. Now, just before we give this thing away, let's actually take a little peek and see what's actually inside this gearbox. It's from a company called Nomadic. Nomadic specializes in monthly subscription gearboxes. How it works, you sign up at nomadic.com. I will put a link below in the description box. You actually can use a coupon code, followbigfoot, to get 10% off your order and free shipping. So make sure you use that code. You sign up for a subscription plan, a 1-month plan, a 6-month plan, or a 12-month plan. The longer the plan, the cheaper that it is. You're going to get about $50 worth of merchandise each and every month. It could be gear, tools, it might even be some trail snacks, but you're going to get 3 to 5 things each and every month, along with some other things, some tips, some knowledge from some of the pros at Nomadic, and they ship this USPS to your house. Not only can you get it, but you can also gift it. So you can gift this to a friend. Maybe they have a birthday coming up, or maybe you want to just stash these things and give these out as Christmas presents, birthday presents, whatever it might be. Now, in the event that you get something that you already have, or maybe it's a piece of gear you don't like or you don't want, Nomadic will swap out another like item of same retail value and send it to you so that you are completely 100% satisfied. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what's inside. This is December's box for Nomadic. The first thing you're seeing here is quite a few cards. It always has some sort of Nomadic challenge. They challenge their folks. And then it has a bunch of tips from the pros at Nomadic. It talks about different things they can do with it being winter. It's talking about winter and some of the things that you can do while you are out there camping to stay warm, things of that nature. And then we got a couple of cards that have coupons on them for different gear companies. And then we have the theme. The theme of this month's box is the weekend trek. Inside of here are 3 different pieces of gear. We got the Tree Nomad packable duffel. We got a Seattle Sports Fire Water multi-bottle, and then a Green Goo by Sierra Sage dry skin care stick. I'm actually not really that familiar with any of these pieces of gear this month. This is the duffel bag, 22 liters. Basically, it's something that you can conveniently pull out and open up and use, and then when you need to, when you're done with it, you can pack it down. I think it's like some sort of pocket that you turn inside out and throw everything back inside of it and then pack it away. Now, this is not something that you're going to bring on some sort of backpacking trip or anything like that. This is more for your everyday life. Maybe it's your gym bag, I don't know, whatever you see fit. But that's the Tree duffel bag. This is the dry skin from Sierra Sage. It's a dry skin stick, which good timing for this thing because with winter, most folks like me get really dry skin from the winter months. And this is something that you can use out in the backcountry. You can use at home, whatever you want. I actually looked up the reviews on this from Amazon, and it has 5 stars. There wasn't a lot of reviews of it, but seems like a legit product. I don't know anything about it, but again, reviews say that it does well. So this is one of your other items. And then you have the Firewater multi-bottle. One thing that you kind of seen out there are these lanterns that you can light up and throw in your tent. Not really meant for any like through hiking or any ultralight people will ever carry, but something for car camping, or if you have a weekend trip, which this is called the weekend trek, would be something that maybe someone will use. So this is 700 milliliters, and it's got a couple different functions. So it has a light. I'll turn this light on, you can see this, so you can use this inside of your tent or wherever you want. You can actually take off the lid here and use this separately just as your light. It's got a few different functions. And then, of course, you got the inside, which is your water bottle. You can also use this as a waterproof storage for whatever whatever you would need that for. And then again, you got that lantern. This is collapsible, and it can be charged by USB or it can be solar charged on the top. So kind of just a fun little novelty item that you can have out there. On the JMT, I actually saw someone with something similar to this that I hiked with for a little while. So some people use it out there. Again, this is the weekend trek, but that is what's inside here. Oh, we got one other piece here, and it's just another code for something over at one of their vendors. So that is what we're giving away to one lucky recipient. And again, there are 3 to 5 items you'll get every single month in their monthly gear boxes, but this is just something that you can expect. And now for the fun part, we're going to give this box away. Here's how it's going to work. I have exported every single contact out of the monthly newsletters. If you haven't signed up for the monthly newsletter yet, make sure you go and do that. Go to followbigfoot.com. Every person that is signed up as of today is entered into this drawing. I export all the contacts, I put them into a random winner generator that I found on the internet, and then I'm just going to click a button that's going to randomly choose one lucky winner. Make sure that you sign up for that monthly newsletter, because in the future, we're going to continue to do these gear giveaways. I'm going to do one each and every month with a different box. And the newsletter is going to be my way of communicating how to get into the drawing. This first month, it's really easy. You don't have to do anything except for sign up for that newsletter. So make sure you stay tuned for future newsletters so you know how you can get entered into each month's drawing for free. So let's go ahead and give this thing away. January's gear box is going to go to Edward Pajero. Congratulations, Edward. I will get this sent out to you. I'll email you and we'll work out all the details. Don't forget to sign up for a monthly newsletter so that you can get entered into next month's drawing. We'll do this each and every month throughout 2018. Stay tuned for many more giveaways, many more sightings, and remember to always follow Bigfoot.